Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends, we are going to talk about how to turn on touch sound means screen touch sound guys in your Realme phone. How can you on and guys how can you use in this video friends we are going to talk about it. So first of all guys open your phone setting to on guys your screen touch sound then after on phone setting guys scroll it. Friends you can see guys your sound and vibration setting friends tap here and again scroll it. So friends you can see guys your advanced setting and guys you can see your sound ringtone and notification setting guys you can use from here. So friends you can see guys this haptic and tune setting tap here and guys click on this touch sound screen touch sound. So you want to on you can on and after on guys you can see the sound will work. So when you will tap on screen and get this button any icon so you can see this touch sound setting. So like that guys you can on and guys you can use your touch sound with your realme phone device. So that's it guys, thanks for watching, we will meet on next video. Bye friends. Before going please go and like the video, subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.